Tired of struggling financially? Learn how to make money online. It's difficult for many to find a good job these days, and for this reason many people are looking to work online. It is possible to make either full-time income or just some spending cash via the internet. Keep watching for some tips on how to make money online. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. If you find a company online that you want to work for and you know for a fact they are legitimate, expect that they will ask you for your ID and SSN number before you start working. Most online portals will want similar validation about you as a real-world job. Prepare for this eventuality by storing digital ID documentation on your computer ahead of time. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Given your exposure to the piece above, you likely appreciate the potential of the internet for income generation. Turning the potential of the internet into extra cash can be easy when you have good advice to follow. The preceding suggestions may be just what you need. Keep studying these tips, and soon enough you will realize internet money can be yours for the taking. Student loan.